Logging into your Shopify admin panel is the first step. Once you are on the home screen, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the online store link. This action expands a submenu where you will find an option labeled Themes. Click on Themes to navigate to the theme library page. From the theme library, locate the theme you are currently working on. You will see a button labeled Customize next to it, but that is not what we need right now. Instead, look for the three small dots icon, which represents the Actions menu. Click those three dots and select Edit Code from the drop-down list. This will open the backend code editor, which contains all the liquid files that structure your online store. Inside the code editor, you will see a long directory list of folders and files on the left side. Use the search bar at the top of this directory to type the word product to filter the list. You need to locate the templates folder. If you have created custom product templates, they will appear inside this folder with the naming convention product.yourtemplate_name.json. If you only have the default template, you will see a file simply named product.json. Identify the specific template file you wish to remove. Hover your mouse over the file name and a right arrow icon will appear. Click that arrow to reveal the Delete File option. Click Delete File, and a confirmation modal will pop up asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete this template. Confirm the deletion. Your custom product template is now removed from the theme, and any products previously assigned to it will automatically revert back to using the default product template in your store.